Okay, you guys, we have our butter, our cream cheese, our pure vanilla extract. This really supposed to be 6 eggs. And this is 4 strawberries. And our strawberry glaze, our 3 cups of sugar, and of course our 3 cups of flour. Now y'all see I'm adding my butter into my mixer. Now we're going to add our 3 cups of sugar. I'm going to take my spatula and just scrape around my bowl to make sure the mixture is mixing very well. Now I'm going to add in my block of cream cheese. You would want your mixture nice and fluffy. Now we're going to scrape down our bowl again. Now we're going to add in our eggs one at a time. Now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to stop our mixture and add in at least half of our flour. Now we are adding in the rest of our flour. Now I'm adding in my 6 eggs. You can either add all your eggs together one at a time like I did at the beginning of the video, or you can just add it in whenever you feel like it. But just make sure you have 6 eggs. Now we got our baked pan, and now we have our flour spray. And we're going to spray our pan down with our flour spray. Now we're adding in our cake mixture. While I am putting my cake mixture in my baking pan, I do have my oven preheated at 325 degrees, and we're gonna let our cake bake for anywhere from 60 to 70 minutes. Now our cake is ready to go into the oven. Okay, you guys, here's our finished product. We are about to take the cake out of the pan and see what our results looks like. Voila, you guys, here's our finished product. Okay, you guys, now we're going to cut our cake, plate our cake, and decorate our cake. Now we're going to take a slice of our cake and lay it on our plate. Now we're going to take a spoon and we're going to drizzle some strawberry glaze on top of our slice of cake. Now we're going to take some fresh strawberries and lay it on top of our glaze. Now I'm going to add a little bit more drizzle of strawberry glaze on top of our strawberries and to top it off with some whipped cream. Okay, you guys, here's our final results of our cream cheese pound cake with fresh strawberries and strawberry glaze and whipped cream topping. I hope you guys enjoy this simple recipe for Valentine's Day. Just taste it. My brother is gonna sample our pound cake. Well, you guys hear? This is my brother Dennis. He said it's good. Y'all, this is my cream cheese pound cake with strawberry glaze and fresh strawberries. So I hope y'all like this video. So please share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Always welcome to Miss Brenda D's place. You're always welcome to Miss Brenda D's place.